Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If I can get you to do two things before this video ends. One, subscribe. Two, if you like the content within this video, hit that like button. And let's push forward. Let's do a walk around this 1965 Shelby Cobra Factory 5 MK4. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Keep pushing forward.